Hello, welcome to my channel and welcome back to another YouTube video. So in today's video I'm going to be transforming our guest room and our living room. So I've ordered a few items, got a few things collected over the past few months. I'm going to put all of the items together, put everything in its place and see if we can get these rooms finished. So let's get straight into the video. I thought I would show you a before of our spare bedroom. It's not a huge room, but we've got a double bed in there, a wardrobe with some of Dan's clothes in, as you can see at the back there. Lovely large window, and then over to the right hand side here we've got a large white wall, which there's nothing on there yet, so I'm hoping to put the pictures up that I got from Desenio and make it less of a blank canvas. Over to this side of the room you can see the grey wicker heart, which I did in a previous DIY video, and the blanket ladder is over just behind the door there. There's not going to be a great deal of difference in here, but let's start and get some things up. Is the finished room. So the fairy lights are up, they look lovely. I'm a little bit disappointed because to the left hand side in the corner I should have had a chair, but it hasn't been delivered. The pictures are up and I love the addition that they give to the room. It really does stand out on that blank wall. We have the ornament there from B&M that I bought, that was in a previous haul. And again here, so we've left the double bed and everything in its same place. I've put the fairy lights up. I'm really happy with the little changes that we've made to this room. Now moving on to our living room. So here from the doorway you can see straight into the living room, and that's the window out into our garden. The left hand side here we've got some chest of drawers that we had off Dan's parents when we first moved in. This is the photo frame I got Dan for when we moved in. So there's nothing in these drawers, we don't use them, they're completely empty, which is why we're looking to revamp this area of the room, and we're looking to put Herbie's bed there and give him a nice little corner and his own little space. So panning on to the rest of the room, we have our sofa here, which was from HomeSense just under a year ago. And then round here, so like I say, this is a window out onto our back garden. And then this is where Herbie's bed currently is, but it sticks out quite far into the room, which is why we're looking at moving it. We will be getting rid of the TV stand and getting a new one, but that is going to have to wait. And then over here is our dining area. Again, we will eventually be getting a new table and chairs at some point, but that's going to have to wait for now. So this is our little dining space. So the last clip you saw, I was putting together this little area behind me. So we've put one shelf up, I've put the ladder in place and got Herbie's bed there. So that looks lovely, really happy with that. And the reason I've picked my camera up is because we've had some deliveries. First delivery, nice and boring, but some bulbs, because this is a floor lamp, if I can find the picture. So this was from Argos, and it's just a tripod floor lamp with a grey lampshade, so I'll be putting that together soon. But these are the bulbs that go with it. And then I have these curtain tie backs. And then finally, another exciting delivery we had was a radiator cover. So this will be going over that radiator. So I'm going to get these items put together now and then get them put in place. Product of the living room revamp. So this is it from the doorway now. So over to the left hand side here where the chest of drawers were, we've put Herbie's bed nice and neatly up the corner. He's got his own little space that he can get away in, and we've put the shelf up, which has just got a few decorations on. The blanket ladder is serving gratefully. That was in a previous DIY video. So we've left the sofa in the same place. The radiator cover there. I have changed the lampshade on this lamp to what was originally with it. I much prefer the look. It fits much better in the space. And then coming round here, nothing has really changed from here other than I've just put a little plant and a wooden plaque on the table. But like I say, we will eventually be getting a new table and chairs. And here's Herbie in his bed, his own little space, and he loves it.
Jesus!
Where's Bobby?
He's here. Say that, Pop.
Clean up in aisle 4, please.
And where did that slip off from?
Out my hands. I'm just glad there was a two-pack.